What boosts smartphone GPS accuracy? Have you ever wondered why your smartphone's GPS sometimes struggles to pinpoint your location? It can be frustrating when you are trying to navigate. Let's break down what really boosts smartphone GPS accuracy. Smartphone GPS accuracy relies on signals from multiple global navigation satellite system satellites. Most smartphones use the L1 frequency band for this. However, newer models come equipped with dual-frequency receivers. These can track signals on to different frequencies, which helps reduce errors caused by things like buildings reflecting signals. This means you get a more accurate location, especially in crowded areas. Another key player in GPS accuracy is the inertial measurement unit. This includes accelerometers and gyroscopes. These internal sensors provide additional data about your movement and orientation. When combined with satellite signals, they help maintain accurate positioning even when signals are weak, like in urban canyons or tunnels. Advanced software also plays a big role. Some smartphones use algorithms that optimize position estimates globally. This means they can better handle low-quality satellite signals. Techniques like gradient descent optimization and carrier phase measurements allow for more precise location estimates. External data sources can further improve accuracy. Wi-Fi signals, Bluetooth beacons, and digital map data can serve as extra location references. For instance, crowdsourced Wi-Fi identifiers and Bluetooth low-energy beacons provide additional markers, especially indoors or in dense urban settings. If you want to take it a step further, consider using external hardware like real-time kinematic GNSS receivers. These devices connect via Bluetooth and can boost accuracy to centimeter-level precision. They are especially useful for applications like precision farming or surveying. To improve your smartphone's GPS accuracy, there are practical steps you can take. First, enable high-accuracy location modes in your settings. Make sure you have a clear view of the sky to receive more satellite signals. Keeping your software updated is also important, as updates often include the latest algorithms. Lastly, consider using apps or hardware that support multi-frequency, GNSS and sensor integration. In summary, boosting smartphone GPS accuracy involves a mix of multi-frequency satellite reception, sensor integration, advanced software techniques, and external signals. By understanding these factors, you can enjoy more reliable and precise location information wherever you go.